See that warm Arizona sunshine? We've made it to Anthem. First stop, Goodwill. We'll see what they got.
So we are getting all the things. First stop right here inside the store. This is a solid wood cabinet, lots of drawers, and good storage in here.
The price is right.
It's a big cabinet for 35 bucks. So they've got a second furniture area, and we found this chest. It's only $8, it's solid wood.
It's got some chips and stuff in it, but I think it'd be great painted. Maybe do some sort of stencil on top. So it's got good lines, and it needs some help. All right, so just looking for smalls, cute vintage frame, tarnished silver, tarnished straps, and then of course, you gotta get the natural woods in there. We're going for kind of like a modern vintage farmhouse vibe, so I'm trying to keep things all like metallic and woods.
Second stop of the day, hitting up the restore.
So I found this chair, it's 10 bucks. It's got this ugly cushion that we'll leave here, but the actual chair itself is way cool.
We're needing stuff for the walls. We got a lot of blank walls to cover. This clock is 7. Let's see if we can get to the mirror we want.
How much is that one?
Price on it.
Here, pull it out.
That's cool. It's very big.
Price on the bottom. 20 bucks? I think that's worth it. It's pretty big.
Oh yeah, that's I mean,
look, there's me. This one's missing the mirror, so I don't know if we'll keep that piece. The cabinet doors are off, but they're here, so Zeb can get them back on, and then it just needs some new hardware.
How much was it?
This was 40 bucks. So we picked this one up, it's 30 bucks. It's got a broken cabinet here, but that's just a glue and a clamp, and we can pull that together. Otherwise, it's in fairly decent condition for as old as it is. Missing some hardware here, so we might have to move some stuff around.
I see dovetail.
Yeah, the dovetails, do they look machined or
They're not machined, those are hand cut dovetails.
So this is older. The other dresser's vintage, but this one's actually probably antique. Look how much room we got in that trailer, Zeb.
It's a good thing David had this trailer. We got to go into Phoenix now and fill it up.
And we already made one unloading stop.
We haven't even been out of Anthem yet.
Look what we found, DI. We're gonna check it out and see what's inside.
We're in Glendale, and it's about 15 miles away from where we're staying in New River. Pretty good selection in the yard area. Lots of stuff to look at. Gonna head over there and see what all of those hutches and cabinets look like. All right, so most of these are hutch tops or like older style entertainment centers. What I'm looking for is like a complete hutch kind of thing that's taller. I don't know where all the bottoms to these hutches went.
So I'm not having any luck on furniture, and I'm being kind of picky about the small stuff because I have a very specific look that we're going for in the shop. So hopefully I'll find something good.
There's definitely lots of stuff here. These shelves are stuffed.
They are.
This is Jamie's one selection so far. Two selections. Oh look, one of those birdhouses like you like. Are we not going for birdhouses in this shop?
Yeah, no.
If you hang out long enough at the DI, they bring out these carts and you can pick through them before they stock them on the shelves. Everything's already priced. So I found all of this on a cart that came out. None of this was on the shelf yet, so you gotta watch for those carts. They got the good stuff sometimes. Peoria Goodwill, we're going in. They got some pretty good selection here in Peoria. I love globes. I'm gonna see if I can convince Jamie. Check this out. These are a little on the small side. $2, $1.98. I found 2 globes. This one might have to do a different bottom on it. They're $7 a piece, but they're both in really good shape, both spin, and I think we can turn them into something fun.
So it looks like it's East Lake style. I'm not sure. It's a little corner shelf thing. We're gonna go ahead and pick it up because I think it's cute and it is legit old. Okay, so these chairs are not amazing, but we need chairs for the farm table at the plant bar for $5.99. You can't beat it. A little bit of wobbly, but we'll just glue these up and they'll be good as new. Today we spent $250, went to 5 thrift stores. It took us 4 hours and we got all of this stuff. Stay tuned at the end of the video. Zeb will give you some close-ups so you can see everything we have.
So we're here in New River, Arizona at Plant Bar AC. The grand opening is going to be on March 16th, 2019 from 2 to 6. You can come meet us, see all the things we've been doing.
Come shopping.
Come shopping, meet David and Crystal. Be sure you're watching the next few upcoming videos because we're going to be showing you how to refinish all these and what we're going to do with them and how we stage them in the new shop space.
We'll also share pricing and what they're going to sell for.
They're the ones that own this place and going to be running it, and it's amazing. They've got some really fun ideas planned out.
Show them some love. We'll drop the link to their Facebook and Instagram below. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.